Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm just going to be wrapping up the engine bay. We just have a couple loose ends to tie up, and then we're also going to be painting the valve cover. So what I'm doing in this clip right now is I'm removing the brake booster reservoir. This is being done because the cap was melted onto the body of the reservoir, so it needed to be replaced. The next step was to replace the clutch master cylinder reservoir. This was being done for the same reason as the brake booster reservoir. So first you're going to take out this guy, and that'll allow you to take out this pin from the clutch pedal. And then that will release this guy from the clutch pedal. So now you just got to take off this line and pull it out. Out with the old and in with the new. So I got the new one on here now. I already have the clutch pedal attached. So now I just need to tighten down these nuts. And then hook up the cables. All right, these two are now installed. Time to get moving on everything else. So I got the valve cover removed and sandblasted. Now it's time for paint. I went over this thing with a sandblaster. Looks pretty good. I also scuffed it up a little bit, got down any high spots, that kind of stuff, so paint should come out pretty good. So I'm using this Duplicolor engine enamel, painting it red. So let's see how it turns out. So once the paint's fully cured, I'm going to be sanding off the paint on the lettering so it stands out against the red. Well, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see all the updates on the 240, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.